Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, aka the Shining Light Insightful Learning Hub. My name is Peace Anomneze, the pilot in this learning flight. Alright, so today I'll be discussing on real estate due diligence. If you're just getting to my channel, please, I want you to take your time and go to the previous video where I discussed about the purpose of this channel. And for a quick recap, I did mention that for the purpose of this channel, I'll be discussing different components of business and corporate law, real estate and property law, corporate training and management consulting topical issues. All right, but for today, sit back and learn from my 18 years experience as a lawyer, all right, and as a lawyer providing legal services in real estate. Okay, so when we talk about real estate due diligence, what are we talking about? It's a process of investigation and verification on the property that you want to buy, all right, and this will involve different exercises that you will conduct at different places. So that is what I'll be discussing today. We have two different stages of due diligence in real estate. The first stage is the pre-due diligence. Just like the name says, pre-due diligence. It's where you conduct searches, verification, you carry out investigation on different government agencies and places to confirm that the property that you are buying is legally recognized and meets all the requirements that will pass legal title, valid legal title to you. So this is what we call the pre-due diligence stage. Okay, so what is the purpose of this pre-due diligence? One is to confirm the title, the title that you are buying, the title verification, the ownership verification, land measurements, land sizes, all right? If the property that you are buying is for public or private use, because if you buy the one that is for public use, government is going to take it away. So you need to find out if there is an ongoing litigation on the property. This you will find in a registry, in the court registry, all right? So you also want to find out if there are any encumbrances on the property, like a legal charge, a mortgage, if there is a legal mortgage on the property, if there is debenture, how long has these people been in possession? So that these are the issues you need to clarify from these agencies I'll be mentioning to us. So what are these agencies? One, the land registry. The land registry is the place in any state in Nigeria that has the power to register title to properties in Nigeria. Okay, so they have the records of transactions on any property located anywhere in Nigeria, depending on the state where you are buying. And then we have the court registry. The court registry will do two things for you and many others, all right? But the most important one is you want to find out if there's an ongoing litigation on the property. So with that, you will search at the land division. Check through with the number of the property, address, the owners. Check if there's an ongoing litigation on the property. And where the people that are selling to you are the children of the deceased. So the title they are providing for the transaction is letter of administration. You want to confirm two things. One, that the people that are selling to you, that their names are on the letter of administration. And also that the property that you are buying is stated in the letter of administration. Very important. If it's not covered in the letter of administration, there is need to apply for additional letter of administration to include the property that you are buying. We have the Surveyor General Office. That's number 3. Remember, I've mentioned the lands registry, the court registry. Under the court registry, you look at the probate section and land division. The third one is the Corporate Affairs Commission, where a corporate body is the one selling to you. You want to confirm this property whether they've used it for mortgage, any form of debenture, or any charge on it. You need to confirm that. the directors on ground, whether they are still the directors, the CAC. Why is it important? They will execute the document on your behalf. All right, so you need to also search at the Surveyor General's office. The Surveyor General's office will give you the land information. You can take the coordinates from of the land, take it for charting, so it will provide you the information that you need. These are the things that a good lawyer that is practicing in real estate will do for you. All right, I normally tell people that a pediatrician is different from a gynecologist. That's why a lawyer that is practicing in real estate is different from a lawyer that is practicing in the immigration law. So if you really want to buy a property that you don't want any problem, having any form of problem, you need to engage a lawyer that have good knowledge in real estate practice. All right, so I've mentioned lands registry, court registry, I've mentioned Corporate Affairs Commission, I've mentioned Surveyor General's office. Then there is another body called AMCON. Remember in 2008, so many banks were their loan book was sold to AMCON because of bad loans. Okay, so and you know, because these corporate bodies, they've used all these loans to acquire different properties. So because they have sold that loan to Asset Management Nigeria, they acquired it and it became their own. So if you are buying any property from any corporate body, you need to find out if one of the properties that you are buying is on AMCON list. Because if it's on AMCON list, it's not a good investment. But you need a lawyer to confirm that. All right? Okay, so number six place of verification is local intelligence. Oh yes, the neighborhood, that old woman selling akara, that old papa selling drinks. You need to go and sit down, buy one drink, sit with them, have some discussion, ask them what they know about the property, ask the neighborhood. It's good. Sometimes you get some information that are very useful for you and as a lawyer, so that you can guide your clients from buying properties that are free from any form of encumbrance or any legal issues. So it's very, very important that you confirm from lands registry, court registry, CAC, that's Corporate Affairs Commission, Surveyor General's office, Asset Management Corporation, AMCON, local intelligence. All right, there is still one, but that will be discussed in the post due diligence. So in my next video, I'll be discussing about post due diligence verification that you need to do. Very important. This will involve the transactional, the finances, the processes. All right, so that you will ensure that a valid title is passed to your clients. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please like, share it, subscribe, and please hit the notification button so that the next time I come on, you'll be able to get notification. Thank you so much. And if you have any question regarding any of these things that I discussed, please feel free to send an email in our bio or in the email in this comment section that I've inserted our email address, and I'll be glad to provide the answers. In the meantime, thank you for listening to the end, and please expect the next video. You don't want to miss that video. What is post due diligence exercise and what does it involve? Watch out in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.